Ever look at your bank statement and see a charge you don't recognize? A surprise subscription, a double charge, or just something that seems completely wrong. It's a frustrating feeling, but it's one Rocket Money is built to help you with. Today, we're going to walk through the process of disputing a charge directly through the Rocket Money app. Now, before we dive into the how-to, it's important to understand what Rocket Money can do. Rocket Money is a financial management tool that helps you track your spending, manage subscriptions, and monitor your accounts. When you see a suspicious charge, it's the perfect starting point to investigate. The key here is that Rocket Money acts as an intermediary, helping you communicate with your bank or the merchant. It's not a bank itself, so the final decision on a dispute always rests with your financial institution. So, let's get into the steps. First, open your Rocket Money app and navigate to the Transactions tab. Scroll through your list of transactions until you find the one you want to dispute. Tap on the transaction to open the details. You'll see an option to report an issue or contact support related to this specific charge. This is your first step. Next, you'll be prompted to provide some information. Be as detailed as possible. Was it a double charge? A subscription you thought you canceled? An item you never received? The more information you give, the better Rocket Money support team can assist you. They may even offer to contact the merchant on your behalf, which is a huge time saver. After you submit your request, Rocket Money support team will take over. They will communicate with you through the app or via email to provide updates. Remember, this process can take some time as it involves communication between multiple parties. It's crucial to keep an eye on your emails and the app for any follow-up questions they might have. In the meantime, it's always a good idea to gather any additional evidence you might have. This could be a screenshot of a cancellation email, a receipt for a similar purchase, or any other documentation that proves your case. Having this information ready will only strengthen your dispute. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.